I'm back after a bit of Marmite health over the stack of cobblestone while trying to fix this internet class of cobblestone. And the line keep trying to lag when I try doing this multiplying gets even cooler. And they count as one entity each, even though they get smaller and smaller. They lag my game. My FPS is dropping to 32. It was 50 before. And one subscribe. I will make an episode 2. I will release an episode 2 within 1 week.